Good morning, everyone. Justice and I are going to read a book today to you called You Are Not Small, written by Anna Kang, illustrated by Christopher Weyant.
Look, he's so small.
He is small. You are small. I am not small. You are big. I am big. See?
They're not.
They are just like me. You are small. I am not small. See? They are just like me. You are big. You are all small. You are all big. Small. Big. They're yelling at each other and they look grumpy.
What about
Small. Big. Small. Big. Boom. Boom! Oh my, look at this in the middle here.
Yeah, he's a small monster.
Looks like a big monster.
Yeah, like a tall one.
Uh-oh. There's new people coming in. You see the new people coming in?
Yeah.
See? I am not small. So there are new small people coming in. See? I am not big.
I can see the book. About him.
There's the small people. No, you are not big. You are big and you are small. And you are not small. You are small and you are big. I am hungry. Let's eat. There's the big monster and the little monster. And then the little guy says, "You're hairy."
Yeah.
All right, the end, guys. You guys have a great day. We hope you enjoyed the book. This is one of Justice's favorite books. So have a good day.
What about the cat one?
Say have a good day.
Have a good day. What about the cat one?